31336A and B. And counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Excuse me. Your Honor, John Goldport, P. 30758, on behalf of Ms. Thomas. Ms. Thomas, please put your name on the record.
Samantha Nicole Thomas.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, how do you spell your first name?
Samantha is S-A-M-A-T-H-A.
Oh, so there's no N in your name and it's Samantha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, counsel, pass the arraignment.
Thank you, Your Honor. There's one charge here. She was stand mute to charge, waiver form reading of those charges for that charge, and yes, to plead not guilty the end. Sorry, Your Honor, I take that back. There's also a civil infraction of improper lane use.
Yes.
I just noticed that. She would still waiver a reading stand mute to charges.
Okay. Court will waive the formal reading, enter plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment. Schedule this matter for pretrial September 12th at 10:15 a.m. Man, you didn't want to fill this paperwork out? Or only part way?
Ma'am.
What you filled?
Wow.
What did you do?
I thought you filled
No,
out.
she filled out some of it, but
Ma'am.
in any event, I'm sorry?
I can't see on the screen, our monitors.
Okay. All right, counsel, ask the bond.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that she does have a prior criminal record, including some drug use. She's employed at Henry's VIII. She does cleaning at that location of that Inkster. She has an 8-year-old child who lives with her aunt, I believe it is. She also lives with her grandmother in Wyandotte. She also takes care of her grandmother. Also, her parents also live in Wyandotte. Is that correct? Her father has. Oh, pardon?
Sorry. My parents live in Newport.
In where?
Newport?
Good thing. And her father has ALS and her mother has a stroke. She sees them daily, make sure everything is going along well with that. I don't believe she has any kind of a record for failing to appear on previous matters. We'd ask for a bond commensurate with the charge, which she can make so she can keep employed as well as taking care of her family.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
why does your child live with your aunt?
Because my husband died, and I didn't have the means to take care of him, and she helped me out. So.
How long has your son been living with your aunt?
For 2 years.
When did your husband die?
3 years ago.
And so why do you not live with your aunt? If she's helping you take care of your son, why are you also not living there?
I am not. I'm giving her custody of him. I'm not going to take my son out of a situation that they live in and just keep uprooting him. That's not fair to my child. Why would I do that?
Because he's your child. It's your responsibility to take care of your child.
Ma'am, and I know that, and I love my child, and I talk to my child every day.
You just don't take care of him?
Excuse me?
You love your child. I didn't say you didn't, but you don't take care of your child.
If I had the means to, I would. She has the means to. She asked me to help. You don't know my situation, ma'am. Please don't do that. That is not fair on me. Okay? Because I don't have the means to take care of my child. You're going to judge me. I
Ma'am,
make $800 a month. That's it.
ma'am, stop. You make $800 a month You're
A
indicating you don't
routine
have,
court appearance quickly becomes emotional as the judge questions Samantha Thomas about her criminal history, financial struggles, and responsibility toward her young son. The hearing shifts beyond legal charges, revealing a difficult personal story where addiction, grief, and family hardship collide inside the courtroom.
you're indicating you don't have the means to take care of him, yet you're here on a drug charge.
Yes, ma'am.
So why don't you find employment that would allow you to support yourself and your son?
Because like I said, I'm not picking up my son and keep moving him out of like places. We went through enough. And he doesn't deserve to go through things like that. I am not in the means to take care of my son. My son does not matter in this aspect, ma'am. Do not judge me on my son.
Excuse
That
me,
is
ma'am.
not
And excuse me, the court does take that into consideration in determining whether or not it has concerns that you will reappear in court and any other factors in setting your bond. So please do not tell me what I need to ask or take into consideration as it relates to setting bond.
Ma'am, I apologize. My son is my world and he knows he's loved by his mother. I talk to my son every day and that's what matters. I try, okay? I'm sorry that I messed up. We all have issues and I really do apologize.
And you still, you live on, the address on file here is your current address, ma'am? No, we have two different addresses.
I did change it. I went up to the post office and the Secretary of State didn't change it.
Okay. Are you currently on probation or parole anywhere, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Are you out on bond in any other jurisdiction?
no ma'am. I haven't gotten in trouble in a long time. No. And
So what happened to the matter in River Rouge? It just shows that there's potentially a drug charge. What happened there?
that dropped.
And if you were to test today, ma'am, what's in your system?
Marijuana, cocaine, that's it.
Do you have a valid prescription for marijuana?
I don't need a prescription for marijuana, ma'am.
Ma'am,
It's
You're going to be on bond?
recreational use.
you're going, excuse me, you are going, excuse me. You are going to be on bond in this court. One of your conditions will be not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed. So that is why I asked if you had a valid prescription for marijuana.
Oh, I apologize, ma'am.
So my question remains, do you have a valid prescription for marijuana?
No.
Okay then, moving forward, you're not allowed to use it.
Okay, that's fine.
The court's going to indicate based upon the charges, the criminal history of Ms. Thomas, the court's going to state a $3,500 10% bond. In the event you post bond, you're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Have a good
madam.
day.
As the hearing concludes, the judge sets a $3,500 bond with strict conditions prohibiting alcohol and drug use unless medically prescribed. The case highlights the difficult balance between justice, accountability, and compassion, reminding viewers that every courtroom decision can profoundly affect families, futures, and second chances.